All right, here we are, room 4, 1, 2, 3. And we got our cards here.
It'll be interesting to see. It's supposed to be it's an ocean view, but it's a blocked view.
It's obstructed.
Obstructed, so we'll see how obstructed it is.
I always hate these things. There it goes. All right, come on in. 2, 1, 2, 3. This'll do. All right, here we are. This is an obstructed view, ocean view room. So that is what we're showing you today. We'll start with our couch, a nice little love seat for you to sit in to relax during your day, and a table that does move. Sometimes they're attached, so that's kind of nice. Moving over here, we have a nice little nightstand that includes 2 drawers for storage, as well as a nice size cubby. You've got a reading light here. Very nice for at night, as well as these control the lights in the cabin so that you can shut those off. You don't have to go up by the door or anything. And a USB charger right next to the bed. That's really nice. And your phone if you have friends in other cabins that you want to go and talk to. Moving this way, we have the king size bed. Nice size king size bed. Over here, this side of the bed, another dresser or nightstand with the same idea, 2 drawers and a cubby, and a similar layout with the reading lamp, the lights, and the USB port. Now again, this is an obstructed view, ocean view room, so there's lifeboats in case you're worried, but we got this one just so at least we'd have a little light. And actually, we can see, we've had these rooms before, and this one is a little bit more of a view. All right, now we're going to get into the desk area. The first thing you have over here is a cubby with some storage. They've also got a hairdryer and a makeup mirror down here on the bottom in case you need those. You've got a nice chair. Over here, you have a refrigerator. There is a mini bar included, so be careful of that. Up here for electric, we've got 2 European, 2 American, and we've got 2 USB. So lots of charging capabilities in this room, especially if you bought a European adapter, which we usually do. Lots of closet space on this particular ship. In here, you've got some beach towels, some blankets, your life jacket, and your safe. Over here, we've got some spots to hang up clothes, and over here, some shelves as well. So lots of storage in this room in case you overpack. All right, now we're going to get into the bathroom. All right, this room has something we've never had in a cruise ship before, a bathtub. Maybe we just haven't been lucky, but nice, decent sized bathtub. You do have your body wash and shampoo and conditioner there. A lot of people don't realize in a cruise ship, you do typically have an electrical outlet in the bathroom. It's usually on the top. There it is. So if you need to plug in a razor or something, you can do that there. You've got shelves. Nice up-to-date sink, and a shelf below with a garbage can.